Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
On a Sunday, father was reading the newspaper. The daughter was looking at a pen's nib, while the son was nailing the nail. He got hit by the hammer. The father advised him, be careful while using tools. Dear kids, let's meet with the new alphabet N, and its sound is nest, newspaper, net, nuts, nail, nib. Dear kids, what colors can nuts be? Can you touch the hard shell of a nut? See you in the next lesson.